designed to grant spouses the option to legally exit unhealthy marital relationships. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng mga naaabusong kababaihan at kanilang mga anak ng isang pagkakataon na mabuhay sa isang pamilyang puno ng pagmamahal.
For so long, Filipinos trapped in irreparably broken marriages have been denied a legal pathway to freedom and healing.
We believe that denying divorce is a violation of human rights, perpetuating suffering and harming families.
The Philippines is one of the few countries in the world that does not recognize divorce. While legal separation exists, it offers limited relief, leaving couples in a state of confusion, unable to remarry and fully rebuild with their lives.
This leaves many people stuck in abusive, unfulfilling, or simply incompatible relationships with devastating consequences.
The weight of the system falls most heavily on women who experience disproportionate financial hardship and emotional suffering. Children likewise endure the protracted conflict and instability inherent in broken families.
Study shows that legalizing divorce can lead to a decrease in domestic violence and improve the overall well-being of families. The current system, by contrast, forces many people to resort to informal and often illegal means of separating, which can have far more detrimental consequences.
Legalizing divorce is not about weakening the sanctity of marriage. It is about recognizing the reality of failed marriages.
Holding on to a legally binding union that is emotionally and practically defunct is not only harmful but also unrealistic.
Divorce provides a clear and legal process for ending a marriage, allowing individuals to move on with their lives, rebuild their emotional well-being, and potentially find healthier relationships.
We urge you to support the legalization of divorce in the Philippines. And that's all.
Thank you.